We ordered the Georgian doorknob in the Brookshire Trim. This is how it comes packaged. We actually ordered 3 of them for the tiny house build that we're doing now. And here is what it looks like. As you can see, it's a bronze oil rubbed finish. This is the outside of the handle, and this is the inside. So this would be the type of lock that you want to use on bedrooms and bathrooms. Included in the packaging, you will find both sides of the handle, the lock itself, the hardware, and the small key there that you'll need to assemble it and then keep for future use also in case you get locked out. The installation was simple without using the instructions, but there are instructions included if you need those. And here is the finished product from the outside view. Absolutely beautiful. I'm very happy with the quality and the ease of installation of these, and the overall look is simply stunning.